Hello, beautiful people. Today is something yummy for the fish lovers. This is my ancho chili fish grill. So flavorful. The fish I'm using today is croacker fish. You can get this at most of African store or Asian store. So I'm starting with a clean fish that I'll be seasoning with my wild for salmon seasoning. It's salt free, so I'll be adding some salt and bouillon to taste. But this seasoning is salt free so that it can fit most diet. Seasoned, I'll set it aside and start prepping my ancho chili paste. I have the full recipe of this ancho chili paste in the description box because there is a whole video for this paste. So just basically soak up the dry chili, and then once softened, puree with a little bit of vinegar and oil, and that's it. You can use it for almost everything. It's a good replacement for tomato sauce. So with this one, I will just pour it in a bowl, add garlic powder, curry powder, bouillon, salt, and oil. Mix it well. You can heat it up if you want, but you don't have to. And just use it to season your fish that is already pre-seasoned and that was soaking that flavor of the savorous salmon seasoning. What I like about this croaker fish is it doesn't have that strong fishy smell, and with even all those with all this seasoning that I'm adding to it, it disappears. The strong fishy smell disappear, and you get a good flavorful nice ancho flavor grilled fish. So you see how I'm seasoning the whole fish, making sure to touch every crevice and everywhere, and then we're just gonna grill it nicely and you should be good. I'll be using grilled fish basket and spray with a little bit of oil so that the fish skin doesn't stick to the grill, and that's it. So all set for grilling, and while it's grilling I'll be prepping my all-time favorite tomato topping. A mixture of freshly diced tomato, hot pepper, onion. Add a little bit of lime juice, olive oil, just a dash of bouillon, and salt. Mix it well. Smell so good, and use it as a topping for the fish. Oh, hello, this is me. As always, don't forget to support your sister by sharing, liking the video, commenting, and subscribe. My grilled fish is now ready, and we're just gonna plate it, make it more appetizing to the eye, and of course it's already flavorful. It is just perfect for low carb, or you can eat it with the famous West African couscous, cassava couscous that's called acheke. Alright, bon appetit. I will be talking to you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye. Bisous les amours.